people. So yesterday I finally got around to watching this Telugu movie called Taxi Wala. That is stars Vijay Devarkonda, Malvika Nair, and a host of others. And it's like I saw the Hindi dubbed version. This is probably one of the first times ever I've seen a Telugu movie in the Hindi dubbed version, because that's the way it is on Z5, the app. But really, yeah, people, I mean, this particular film, it's called a horror comedy. And there's this reference made of this psychic, Erin Pavolina. If you Google her, it's such an impressive site, yeah, about astral projection. And um, the storyline, like a movie like this proves to us this is Taxiwala, then U-Turn, and certain other Telugu movies, that we are ahead of our times. I mean, in terms of I've yet to see a Hindi movie along these lines that is about you know a story that involves a car getting haunted because of an astral projection. I mean, how cool is that, yeah? And Vijay Devarkonda. I mean, when I saw the movie Arjun Reddy, I thought anger is the one emotion that this gentleman can portray. I mean, he's just angry in that movie. But here, when you see it, it's right from fear to comedy to he's such a talented actor. So people and in the I have to say Malvika Nair, who plays the, I don't know, ghost. But yeah, she's like, I'm so proud she's a Malayali, yeah. I mean, because she brings that a certain authenticity to her character. I mean, she has to portray this angst that she feels, of her single mother not giving her enough attention, and all of that. But people, you'll have to go and watch it. This is a 2-minute review. So really, yeah, Taxiwala it is, and you all can watch it in Hindi. It's on the Z5 app. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.